Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about fixing if your explorer.exe is crashing frequently on your Windows 11 computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by just right-clicking on the Windows Start button, and you want to go ahead and select where it says Task Manager. So go ahead and left-click on that. You want to locate Windows Explorer on this list. You can go ahead and actually just start typing for it, or you can just search for it as well just by clicking on one of these random items in here and just start searching for Windows Explorer. So if you just start typing it in, it should come up. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select Restart. Give it a moment here. And then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. If you're still having an issue, if you close out of here, you can try opening up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC, followed by a space, /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, close out of here and restart your system. And there you go, guys. Hopefully your issue should have been resolved at this point. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.